I guess, food. So your experience?
We're looking at 15 years in the marketing, and we know about quality. It's very, very good quality. And we see that this company is going bigger and bigger, and it's going to be from the top brands in the world in a few years.
We want to grow with you. In terms of growth, obviously you need some kind of help from which we want to help you so that we can grow further. So any important help you require from us?
I think you do the best, and important help in the future to keep distributor in the whole country without any competitor in another company in the same country. It's important because anyone pay for social media, for everything, for move or make marketing about the brand. So it will be his brand.
So digital marketing.
Yeah.
Okay. So next is the advantages. Like you are working with so many brands. So what do you feel like the advantages of working with?
They are old company, and you are new in the marketing, but you going well, and your quality, I think it's same like other flex from 100 years in marketing.
So coming to an end, we want to talk about the future collaboration. As I already said, that we want to grow with you and stay associated with you for long number of years. So any comment on the future collaboration with us?
I think it's good.
Thank you so much. Yeah, let's have a quick.